Sifolor is for getting rid of unpleasant odors and blockages in kitchens and bathrooms. Sifolor is a unique and patented technological system. It's simple to use and keeps pipes and drains free of clogs and unpleasant odors. Sifolor is easy to install and adaptable to different types of drains. Sifolor has a separate plug-in for the unblocking function and for the air freshener function. Its product refills are safe and easy to use, with a wide variety of pleasant fragrances available. Sifolor takes up very little space and can be installed wherever it fits best within your home. Sifolor enables convenient and precise programming of its unclogging and air freshener system. Unclogging system. Our product automatically collects at the base of the siphon. It reacts with the accumulated dirt, eliminating it and maintaining the plumbing with the running water itself. Air freshener system. The air freshener comes to the surface automatically, infusing the room and the drain with a pleasant fragrance. Manual operation. Through an external push button, you can spray manually and directly. Sifolor is especially suitable for kitchens and bathrooms and has different assembly parts for each. Sifolor, clogging and odor fighting technology.